Hey everyone, Vanakkam, welcome to my channel. Today we're making a dish that you will definitely see on any Indian restaurant, aloo gobi. So for this recipe we need half a kilo of cauliflower. We'll keep the tender leaves. It adds great flavor to our dish, so we'll keep them. So just gently breaking it. So we need nice medium-sized florets. We don't want too small because when we fry them, they're gonna break off. I'm using 4 to 5 medium-sized potatoes here. Peeling it and going to cut them in wedges. We will also need 2 medium size of shallots. I've diced them, and 2 green chilies sliced, and I have 2 large tomatoes also diced. So heat a kadai on a medium-high flame and add 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. So we add in the potatoes first. So the potatoes will take 5 to 6 minutes to fry, and the cauliflower will take another 5 minutes, so around 10 to 12 minutes altogether for frying. And frying the potatoes and cauliflower first will add a great deal to the final dish. The taste will just be mind-blowing. So now in the same kadai, flame on low, we'll add another 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/8 teaspoon of hing, asafoetida powder. We'll add in our green chilies and shallots. You can turn the flame to medium. Saute it for 2 minutes. 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste. We'll add in our tomatoes. Add salt. We'll add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Give it a mix. One teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. We add in our fried potatoes and cauliflower in. I know it looks good, but it's not ready yet. We add in half cup of water and cook it covered 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. So now it's been 5 minutes, and let's add in our freshly chopped coriander leaves and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Done. Aloo gobi is ready. Well, you know what to do. Make it, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.